Being a cat for Halloween is one of the most classic costumes, but this makeup gives you a little twist. I'm starting off by mixing my moisturizer and foundation and mixing it in and putting it on my face and then blending it with my beauty blender. Next, I'm taking my concealer and applying it underneath my eyes and blending it out with my finger, as well as applying it to any blemishes that I have. Next, I'm taking my stub of an eyebrow pencil and filling in my brows a little thicker than usual. Next, I'm taking a concealer and putting it right underneath my brow to redefine the shape. Now, taking our powder, we're going to be putting this all over our face and blending down the neck as well. Next, I'm taking my bronzer and putting it in the hollows of my cheeks by making this hilarious face right here, and also to my temples and under my jawline. Next, I'm taking this blush and putting it on the apples of my cheeks and smiling just a little bit because it's a good day. Next, I'm taking my primer and applying this to my lids. Make sure to blend it out with your finger and put it underneath your eye as well as out to the side. Next, taking a taupey color, we're going to be applying this to our crease with a fluffy brush and blending it upwards. Using a smaller brush, I'm taking that exact same color and putting it on my lower lash line. Now I'm taking an off-white and putting it in my inner corner as well as below my brow. Next, I'm just taking this black and putting it on the outer corner of my eye, slanting it upwards and out, as well as blending it in and up towards the brow. Now I'm taking that same black and putting it on the inner corner, and I'm avoiding the middle of my lid. Make sure to blend that really well towards the crease and into the middle of the lid. I'm just taking that same black and darkening the outer corner. Next, I'm taking a gold and putting it right in the center of my lid and blending it into the black. Now, taking a gold pigment, I'm just putting that right over the first gold color, and we're going to be blending that into the black as well. Next, I'm taking my gel liner and applying this to my upper lash line and winging it out dramatically, but you don't have to if you don't feel comfortable. I basically just go from the outside in, dragging it in a straight line towards my upper lash line, and then I also drag it underneath my lash line as well on the outer corner. Next, I'm taking a felt tip liner and tracing out what I'll be doing in the inner corner, which is a slanted downward wing. Now taking a liquid liner, I'm going to be going over everything that we just did, including the inner third of our eye. Next, I'm just taking my regular pencil liner that's dipped in gel liner and applying it to my waterline as well as my tight line. Next, I'm just smudging in some black to the outer corner, just deepening that smoky eye. I also got these awesome lashes at the Halloween store, and we're going to be applying some duo glue and waiting for it to dry for 30 seconds and applying it to our upper lash line and pressing it in and making sure it's very secure. Next, taking my mascara, I'm going to be applying this to my lashes, blending the fake with the real lashes, and also sharing the love with my lower lashes. Now I'm taking my brow pencil and just blending it in and contouring my nose. And I'm bringing that down and making a really attractive face right now. Now just taking a regular pencil liner, I'm going to be starting off with my nose and making a little cat nose by doing curved lines and filling it in. And we're going to be dragging that around our nostrils as well as down towards our lips. Now we're taking our gel liner and filling it in right on top of our pencil liner, and then taking our felt tip liner and making tiny little dots between our nose and lips. Here I'm just taking it and dragging out from the dots a few whiskers. You can do as many or as little as you want. I just did some random ones. I'm starting with a black pencil making our cheetah print, and I'm going to be making little C's, U's, O's, and little dashes and lines. I'm creating kind of a triangle shape on my forehead with the cheetah print and continuing on to my cheeks. Now taking a gold eyeliner, I'm just going to be filling in little spaces that I see, and you could also use an eyeshadow for this. Now I'm taking a plum lip liner and lining my lips. I'm now applying a red lipstick to the middle of my lips. And now I'm taking a plum lipstick with a lip brush and applying that to the edges and blending it with the red. That is our finished cat look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and all the products that I used are in the description box below. Have a perfect Halloween!